That's good. So, pocket. He's moving now. SD70ACE and what looks like a Gevo. Tier 4 actually. Yeah, this tripod does not start. I'm actually gonna make it like that low. There it is. Probably way cool. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta get a little closer. Yeah, it was a tier 4.
smaller on this. I don't know.
Yeah, these are mostly used for, you know, maintenance away. See, M&W maintenance away. Probably not full. I mean, this last one's full.
Scrap metal.
Yeah.
That's like old railroad ties.
That's Conrail. They got split between CSX and NS back in 1999. Here's actually some more Conrail.
Right?
These,
Those cable cars?
those are coil shields.
That was close.
There's the Conrail logo.
That's cool.
I'm pretty sure these are like some Canadian boxcars. That's about before I mentioned the Canadian.
Center beam. Yeah, what is all that?
I think that might. That's an oversized load car. You get to see an oversized load car. First oversized load car you get to see on a train.
I'm sure it's not yours.
Yeah, I've seen a couple. They haul like, what are they called? Big old AC units or big old electricals.
Refrigerated cars, huh?
Yeah. You had a big old thing of, yeah, there's actually two of them. Yeah. How many wheels they have?
Red and ready.